Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying battery health with a trusted app and backing up your phone. This protects data if hardware work is required. Once done, acquire a compatible OEM or high-quality replacement battery and the correct tools, screwdriver, spudger, and an ESD mat to avoid static damage. Make sure you know your exact model and serial to order the right part. If a professional service will fit the battery, schedule it now. Otherwise, prepare a clean workspace and set aside at least 45-60 minutes. Power the phone off and remove SIM. You're preventing short circuits. Work systematically. Open the case along the safest seam, lift panels with a spudger, and expose the battery connector. Disconnect the old battery before cutting any adhesive. Remove it slowly to avoid bending or puncturing. Seat the new battery, reconnect the flex and test power before sealing. Reapply shields and screws to manufacturer torque if available. Once reassembled, you'll have restored the hardware that determines true battery capacity. After installation, plug in the original charger and let the phone reach 100% uninterrupted. This conditions the new cell and the phone's reporting. Once charged, perform 1 or 2 full discharge to zero and full charge cycles to stabilize the battery gauge. That helps the system report 100% accurately. Make sure software is updated and retest health in the app. If the phone shows problems, reseat the battery connector. Verify no cables are pinched, and consult a professional service if voltage or charging abnormalities persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.